Welcome to CoDeploy, where we make it easy to move your Amazon Connect resources. To get started, sign up on CoDeploy. Once you're in, we'll show you how to enable MFA for login. Click on the profile icon in the top right. Click on Enable under the MFA section. A QR code will appear. Using an authenticator app on a different device, scan the QR code. This registers the authenticator app for MFA. Once registered, close the QR code pop-up and click Save. Now, every time you log in, you'll be prompted to enter the MFA code for added security. Now, let's see how to link your AWS account with CoDeploy. In the Administration menu, click Account, and then Add Account. For role-based authentication, click Role-Based. Pick a name for your AWS account. Enter the AWS account number. Choose a region and enter the role ARN. Enter the ARN of the role that was created with the CloudFormation script. Click on Add Account. If you prefer to link your account with access key-based authentication, choose access key-based, and add your access key and secret key from AWS IAM. The IAM user must have permissions for Amazon Connect, Lambda and Lex Bots. Once added, you'll see your AWS instances in the Connect Instances menu. To remove any account from CoDeploy, follow these steps. Click on Account in the Administration menu. For the account you want to remove, click on Remove. Click OK to confirm and remove the account from CoDeploy. Now, let's explore how to remove any unwanted instances from CoDeploy. Click on your account from Connect Instances on the side panel. To remove any instance, click on Remove. Click OK to remove the instance from CoDeploy. In case you need to restore any deleted instances, here's how you can do it. In the Administration menu, click on Restore Instance. Choose your account and the instance you want to restore. Click on Submit. The instance will then be restored onto CoDeploy. Now, let's create a package for transferring resources seamlessly. On the Operations tab in the side menu, click Packages, and choose Create from the drop-down. In the Create Package wizard, choose the source account and instance you want to use as the foundation for this package. Click Next to continue. Select the components you wish to transfer. This could be things like flows, flow modules, quick connects, queues, routing profiles, security profiles, and hours of operations. Pick what's relevant to your needs. When you're done with component selection, go to the Package Details tab. Provide a name and description for the package. This helps you identify and manage your packages easily. Our tool will automatically select the necessary dependencies, making the process even simpler. To deploy the package to your target instance in CoDeploy, follow these straightforward steps. On the Operations tab in the side menu, click Packages, and choose Deploy from the drop-down to open the Deploy Package tab. Here in the Deploy Package tab, find the package you want to deploy. Choose the target account and instance where you want to deploy this package. For added convenience, you can use the Compare feature to understand the similarities and differences between the package and the target instance. This can be incredibly helpful in ensuring a smooth deployment process. After you've reviewed, simply click Deploy. This action will transfer the package components to the target instance. If an error occurs during the deployment process, don't worry, you can easily undo it in CoDeploy. Follow these steps to roll back a deployment. On the Administration tab in the side menu, click Package, and choose Rollback from the drop-down to access the rollback functionality. In the Rollback section, find the package you want to undo the deployment for. Click Rollback. With this simple action, the deployment is undone, allowing you to quickly resolve any issues that may have arisen during the process. With the Transfer Phone functionality in CoDeploy, you have the flexibility to seamlessly move phone numbers from one instance to another, all within the same account and region. Here's how you can do it. Start by clicking on Transfer Phone in the Administration menu. Now, you're in the Transfer Phone section. Select the source account and choose the phone number you want to transfer. Complete the form by specifying the target account and instance where you want the phone number to be transferred. Submit the form. With these simple steps, your phone number will be successfully transferred to the target instance within the same account and region. Discover how CoDeploy simplifies the transfer of Lex Bots across AWS accounts with the Transfer Lex functionality. Click on Transfer Lex in the Operations menu. Choose the source AWS account from which you want to transfer the Lex Bot. Select the appropriate Lex Bot, bot version, and bot locale from the drop-downs. Enter the role ARN for transferring the Lex Bot. If left empty, CoDeploy will transfer the role from the source. Specify the target account and target instance where you want to associate the transferred Lex bot. Click on Submit to initiate the transfer process. CoDeploy will transfer the Lex bot and link it with the selected target instance. CoDeploy empowers you to move Lambda functions across AWS accounts with the Transfer Lambda functionality. Follow these steps to effortlessly transfer your Lambda functions. Click on Transfer Lambda in the Operations menu. Select the source account. Enter a valid function name, case sensitive. Enter the role ARN for transferring the Lambda. If left empty, CoDeploy will transfer the role from the source. Select the target account and target instance. Click on Submit to transfer the Lambda function and associate it with the selected target instance. If your organization is large and you need multiple people to manage change in CoDeploy, we've got you covered. With our user management capabilities, administrators can add new users and assign them roles with different levels of access. To add a new user, follow these steps. On the Administration tab, click on User Management, and then click on Add User. In the Add User section, enter the email address of the new user you want to add. Assign a role to them, choosing between admin or user based on their access needs. Once you've completed these steps, after successful verification and authentication, the new user will gain access to CoDeploy with their assigned role. Our user management feature makes it easy to efficiently handle access and responsibilities within your organization, ensuring that change management is a breeze. In addition to all these features, CoDeploy offers a Logs tab, providing you with complete transparency into the actions performed within the platform and the users responsible for those actions. To view the logs, follow these steps. On the Administration menu, select Logs. Here, you can review a detailed record of all the actions that have taken place within CoDeploy, including the users who initiated these actions, ensuring accountability and transparency in your operations. Thank you for choosing CoDeploy, your partner in simplifying Amazon Connect contact flow migration. Get started today and experience the power of CoDeploy for yourself.